Are you looking for the best battery-powered ratchet? Here we will break down the top 6 battery-powered ratchets on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget's range. At number 1. KYMO Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. This is a strong, flexible, and cordless ratchet that can deliver a top-quality fastening speed made possible by the 12V motor that produces close to 35 feet-pounds of torque. The tool can perform impressively compared to flexibility and size. This cordless ratchet uses a 12V lithium-ion battery that converts the 3/8-inch drive at the no-load speed of 280 RPM. The tool has a very soft and easy-to-handle grip. With the forward and backward lever, you can easily use it to loosen and tighten the screw. There is a built-in LED light that enables you to use the device in a poor light area. It has red, amber and green fuel gauge on its side that helps you monitor the battery level. Overloads are prevented with their optimized performance brought about by the inbuilt communication system that tracks the motor, battery, and charger. It has a bar-shaped trigger that controls the changing speed from 0 to 280 RPM. It is an electric device with a 3/8-inch drive that can perform well on a 12-volt, 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery. The battery is strong enough to power a powerful motor that produces a torque of 35 feet-pounds spinning at a no-load speed of 280 RPM. The ratchet is not heavy, and this makes it easy to carry around while working. In addition, the set comes with everything you might need to start working right away. It comprises the tool, battery, and charger. There are a user manual and a 2-year warranty. At number 2. Milwaukee 245720M12 Cordless Ratchet. It is one of the best-selling cordless ratchets in Amazon. The 12V powerful motor can deliver up to 35 foot-pounds torque and produces 250 RPM with a variable speed trigger. The cordless inches lithium-ion ratchet wrench is made of plastic and steel to ensure the highest durability. The low-profile head makes it flexible to work in tightest spaces. The variable speed trigger ensures the highest control with any position. Use the subcompact ratchet for the ultimate speed you desired for. This is the ideal ratcheting tool for you if looking for the highest performance and efficiency. It requires an M12 lithium battery pack that is not included with the box. It weighs only 1.9 pounds, that is extremely lightweight to carry in the tool belt. At number 3. Adelco 3/8 12V Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. This is a very practical power tool designed for efficiency and performance. It has a compact size to allow access to hard-to-reach areas. Its cordless capacity makes it openly portable so that its use is not confined to the garage. Also, easy to use with enough torque to handle high-performance jobs. High-quality, Adelco's electric ratchet comes fully loaded with 2 powerful 12-volt batteries. The ratchet itself has a 12-volt max motor that delivers 35 feet-pounds of maximum torque. It also comes with a plug-in charger as well as a small socket kit. Equipped with a forward-reverse lever that is humanized in its design, this ratchet is energy and time saver. It has an anti-slip soft grip to allow for optimal comfort. In addition, it's equipped with a 230 RPM variable speed trigger for optimized control. At number 4. Milwaukee 245721 3/8 in Cordless M12 Lithium-Ion Ratchet Kit. If you're looking for a cordless ratchet that you can use to remove and install nuts and bolts in very tight and poorly illuminated work areas, then the Milwaukee Cordless Ratchet 3/8 wrench is the real deal. This unit is small and compact and fits well in your palm. Although it is only rated at 35 pound-foot of torque, this ratchet delivers what it promises. Complementarily, the ratchet's brushless motor produces a high RPM that enables it to drive bolts and nuts very fast to save you time. While it is possible to underestimate the ability of this Milwaukee 3/8 wrench for its size, you will be amazed at how easily it breaks free a lot of nuts. Its variable speed paddle switch is also responsive enough, giving you the control you need to avoid over-tightening fasteners. The 3/8-inch drive of this wrench has a detent pin for retaining sockets in order to prevent them from falling or spinning off. Furthermore, the head is short enough and measures just 3/4 inches wide to allow you to reach fasteners in very tight spaces with ease. At number 5. Adelco Cordless 3/8 Ratchet Wrench. This ratchet from Adelco maximizes users' control over its performance. To control its powerful torque, it has electric brake switch with variable speed control, and to set the direction of rotation, it has forward-reverses switch. This machine is designed to use professionally. It easily reaches to tight spaces. Besides, its lightweight, balanced body and comfortable grip let you work for hours without feeling the fatigue. This tool comes with the necessary accessories. So, its price is not unreasonable. The provided batteries give out very quickly. Other than this Ratchets wrench is a good choice if you earn your living using such products. At number 6. Adelco ARW1209P Ratchets Wrench Tool Kit. This Ratchets wrench has a powerful 12V motor that provides 45 feet-pounds of ultimate torque to enhance fast bolt removal. It has a powerful fastening speed with 170 RPM so that it can handle many applications. Moreover, it has a compact head design that makes the wrench applicable in areas with tight spaces. The wrench has a slim body with a slip-free grip that provides more comfort and control. It weighs less than 2 pounds, where this allows you to operate it with one hand without having any struggle. It has a built-in LED light that helps to illuminate dark areas to make your operation easy. Furthermore, it has a variable speed paddle with an electronic brake that offers versatility and better control.